Welcome to today's episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Now, isn't this a cute sight? There's all the Evielings. Now that wasn't cute, that was a poo. All the Evielings are with Sugar. They're all sunbathing. It's quite nicely sheltered here, even though it looks quite nice. Like that weather. It's actually quite windy and it's actually quite cold. So these little monkeys are having a good sunbathe with Sugar. Well, Mum is under there. Aren't you, sweetheart? They all seem to like the deck. Don't ya? So I just think it's wonderful how my cats have always gotten on with the chickens and the ducks. They really don't know anything else. So I just think it's lovely. I do, ain't Shuggy? Hello, Sugar. Yes. Oops, did you fall off? So Sugar's coming inside while the duckies are still having a good sunbathe. Aren't you, darlings?